In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add leave in Outlook Calendar for 2025. Whether you're planning a vacation or just needing some time off, it's important to update your calendar to keep your schedule organized and to inform your colleagues about your availability. Let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring clarity and understanding along the way. First, you'll want to open your calendar. To do this, navigate to the Calendar tab within your Outlook application. This is the hub for all your scheduling needs, and it's where you'll manage this process. Once you've accessed the calendar, the next step is crucial: creating a new event. You can do this by clicking the New Event button prominently displayed in the toolbar, or alternatively, you can click directly on the start date of your leave within the calendar itself. This action will prompt a new window to appear where you'll begin entering the details of your leave. Now let's move on to setting the event details, which is a key part of effectively communicating your time off. Start by providing a clear and descriptive title for your event. Something like vacation or PTO will suffice and ensure it's immediately recognizable to anyone viewing your schedule. Then carefully select the start date and the end date that align with the duration of your leave. Make sure to check the all day option. This ensures that the event spans the entire days you're out, clearly indicating your absence on those days. After setting the basic details, it's time to adjust your status. Look for the Show As option within the event window. Here, you should select Free or Out of Office. Marking yourself as out of office is particularly useful as it signals to your colleagues that you won't be available during this time. This simple step helps prevent your schedule from being overbooked or from blocking time on your coworkers' calendars. A handy tip for managing multi-day leave is setting the reminder. If your leave stretches over several days, consider setting the reminder option to None. This prevents you from receiving daily notifications about your absence, allowing you to enjoy your leave without unnecessary distractions from Outlook. Finally, once everything is set up to your satisfaction, it's time to save your work. Simply click Save and Close to commit your leave to the calendar. This action finalizes the addition of your leave and ensures everything is properly recorded and visible. That's it. Your leave is now logged in your Outlook calendar for 2025, making your schedule clear and ensuring your colleagues are informed of your availability. Thank you for watching and have a great day.